Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Bybit application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in Bybit within the search box and begin your search. Now, once you find the Bybit application, go ahead and tap on it and then tap on the install button to begin the download and installation. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button. You can then tap on the open button to open up the Bybit application, and then you can just sign up to create your new account or log into your existing one to start using the Bybit application on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bybit application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.